I'm standing outside the Circularity Experience, which is one of the two projects we built for Husky to explain the why behind their machines.
We really wanted to showcase the circular journey of a PET bottle in a unique, interactive, and experiential way for all of our booth guests, in a way that stands out from all of the other booths.
The reason we built the two immersive experiences and laid them out in the booth the way that we did is we first needed some wow factor attract piece that drew people in from a distance and got them excited about Husky's message. The immersive theater, called the Circularity Experience, allows Husky to bring in guided tours to explain their vision and thought leadership of the future of the manufacturing process of plastics.
We're really excited to be working with Virtual Wild this week. We've got the big LED screen of the Anamorphic video showing off our HiPet 6 machine, launching at NPE this year.
From concept to completion, we had a great experience working with the Virtual Wild team. They brought us some great ideas, great concepts, and really helped us push the boundaries of the interactive content.
I really enjoyed working with the Virtual Wild team. They were really supportive, and we actually got so many compliments on all of our interactive experiences, and are really, really happy with the final product.